Dear students, welcome to Gurukul Kurukshetra online education. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Python on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Python. After that, click on first link www.python.org. Now the official website of Python will open, and here under downloads tab we have option to download Python for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux and some other operating system. Under the same tab in the right side we can directly download latest version of Python for Windows operating system. At the time of making this video, Python 3.8.3 is the latest version of Python. To download this version, just click on this button. Once the setup downloaded, we just double click on Python setup. After that, Python installer will be appear on screen. Here we have two options, install now and customize installation. If I choose install now, then by default you can see Python will be installed at this location. But here I would like to install Python with customize installation. Before choose customize installation, first check this checkbox to save the path of Python permanently in the system environment variable. It means that once the path permanently saved in system environment variable, after that we can run Python program from any location in our computer system. So make sure that you have checked this checkbox. After that, click on customize installation. Now here I will leave everything is default and click on next option. In this window, easily we can see that the default path is very long and not easy to remember for Python installation. So I will replace it with on shorter custom path which is easy to remember. To do this, click on browse button and open C drive. Here we make a directory with the name of Python's latest version. After that, select this directory and click on install option. Installation process will take some time. Once the installation finished, we click on close option. Now to check the path is saved or not in system environment variable, just we type system environment in this search box and click on here. After that, click on environment variables. Here under path variable we can see that our custom path has already set. To close it, we click on OK. After that, click on start menu. Here we are able to see under recently added section Python 3.8 module docs, IDLE, Python 3.8 32-bit, Python 3.8 manuals And if we expand this, we can see Python Terminal 3.8. These are four most important tools which are installed at the time of Python installation on our Windows operating system. To work with Python, we have three options. First, Python IDLE. Second, Python Terminal. Third, Python Shell. First, we start with Python IDLE. To open Python IDLE, first we click on Start button and then click on IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It provides us two working modes. First, interactive mode and second, script mode. This window is an interactive mode of Python IDLE. In this window, Python commands are directly typed, and as soon as we press enter key, the interpreter displays the result immediately. In this mode, we cannot save Python commands permanently that we type. This is the drawback of this mode. Let's try to understand interactive mode with an example. Here we are going to write Python commands for addition of two numbers. And after getting output, we cannot save these commands permanently in this mode. To save these commands permanently, we use script mode. To open script mode, we click on File menu and then click on New File. Here we write Python commands for addition of two numbers. And after that, we can save this file permanently, and later on we can run this file when we need. Now we talk about Python terminal. To open Python terminal, first we click on Start button and then under recently added section we click on Python 3.8. This is a Python terminal window. Here we can type Python commands directly, and as soon as we press enter key, the interpreter displays the result immediately. In Python terminal, we cannot save Python commands permanently. For example, here we also write Python commands for addition of two numbers. And after getting output, we cannot save these commands permanently like interactive mode. In the last, we talk about Python shell. To open Python shell within command prompt window, we type cmd in the search box and then click on command prompt. This is a command prompt window. Here we can check that Python commands are working or not in our Windows operating system. Here we type Python space hyphen hyphen version and then hit enter. Now we can see which version of Python is installed in our computer. To check next command, we type pip space hyphen hyphen version and then hit enter. Here we can see the version of pip. Pip is a standard package manager for Python. It allows us to install and manage additional packages that are not part of the Python library. Now to open Python shell, in this window, we just type Python and then hit enter. Now Python shell will open in the same window. Here, like interactive mode, we cannot save Python commands permanently. For example, here if we type Python commands for addition of two numbers, and after getting output, we cannot save these commands permanently. Finally, in Python, we cannot save Python commands permanently when we work with interactive mode and Python terminal as well as command prompt Python shell. Only in script mode we can save all Python commands permanently. This is all about how to download and install Python and how to write and run Python commands in Windows 10 operating system. Thanks for watching this video.